Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to fade a photo on VSCO. So first of all you want to open the VSCO application, so this is the icon of a VSCO. Then you want to go to the studio and select a photo that you would like to edit to add a fade. So let's say I want to edit this one, and after that you want to go click this editing button right here. Then you want to go to the tools, which has the same icon, and then by going to the back you can find the fade right here. And as you can see, now you can adjust the fade option. So maybe let's leave it right here, save it, and after that you can go on with the whole editing process, or you just can click next and save or even post on a VSCO. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye!